Hello everyone, welcome to another video. In this video, I will show you how to turn on your Hisense TV without using a remote. Now, obviously you can turn on the TV using the power button. That's like all TVs, right? They have a power button, so make sure your TV is plugged in. And as you can see here on Hisense TV, depending what model you have, you can click on this right here and you can just press the button underneath the TV. Well, just like that, you will be able to connect or turn on your Hisense TV without a remote. Now, obviously, you can also turn it off using the power button as well. It's pretty much the same thing. You can also use a Remote Now app, which is really popular amongst Hisense users or Samsung users as well. All you have to do is just go to the Remote Now on your Android or iOS device. Depending what device you have, on Android you might need to go to the Google Play Store. On iOS you will need to go to the App Store. So basically just install it, launch it, and as you can see, you will have a window or a button in the left corner where you can actually click and you can select your Hisense TV from the available devices, turn it on, and then what you want to do is you can basically go and use that to turn on the TV or turn off the TV without actually having a remote. So as you can see, this method will work if you have following Hisense TVs, which are these right here. Now keep in mind, you can also use a Mi Remote app as well. Now if the physical button on your Hisense TV is broken and you can't use the remote, there are other ways to turn your TV on. So this method will require an Android, so you can use a Mi controller. This is from Xiaomi, and it's pretty much the same process as this right here. So that's pretty much how you can go and turn on the Hisense TV without using a remote. So that's basically how it is. If you have any questions or comments, comment down below and we'll see you in the next video.